Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into the second crossover between Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So let's have a look into this right now. Okay, there it is. We open up the packaging. Okay, get a close view of this from the front. And the back. We'll look at the spine as well. And the back now. Okay. So this is the second crossover between Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I'm just gonna flick through the pages. So if anybody wants to see what's happening in the comics, in the comic books for this series, please continue to watch it. If you don't want to be spoiled, I think it's the best time for you to just pause the video and not continue with this. So okay, here we go. I will just flick it very quickly. Okay, so that's the opening page. Grumpy. Okay. Yeah, there you have it. This is the second crossover between Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye!